Okay, you're all here?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay, so listen again
Okay.
to this, or you finished, or you don't want to listen again? You want to listen again or not?
No.
This is for you, Manor? Huh?
No.
No. Mustafa? No. So the first picture is about who?
Vincent.
Vincent. So the first picture is Vincent. This picture
Yes.
is B. You agree with him?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. The second picture?
Dominic.
Demonic.
So it's
D.
for D. Domenico. So
Okay.
you all agree. Very good. Okay. This?
M.
M. Mitchko.
M.
Correct. And the last one for sure is N.
M.
N for Nina. Okay, so now you are going to listen again to the same people, but this time you have to write true or false.
Okay.
Read the sentences very well, and by the way, for sure, if the sentence was false, you have to give me the correction for it.
Okay.
Okay, but read first.
Okay, I think.
Okay, the others,
Okay.
all of you finished?
Yeah.
Very good. So let's listen.
Two, listen again and decide if the statements are true or false. Write T or F. Michko.
It's my birthday today, so I'm planning to celebrate it. My husband and I are going to a nice piano restaurant to spend a romantic evening together. In fact, I bought a new dress just for the occasion. I also went to the hairdressers. I want to look my best tonight.
Vincent.
I'm working very hard these days, so tonight I'm staying at home. I need to relax, so I'm planning to order some Chinese food and to watch the basketball game on TV. I usually stay up until midnight, but I think that tonight I'm going to bed early.
Nina.
I'm attending an art history class this evening. I love art, so I'm taking advantage of this opportunity to learn more about it. Ms. Jones, our teacher, is a successful painter. I enjoy listening to her and looking at the wonderful images of works of art that she shows in every class.
Domenico.
I often surf the internet in the evenings. It's very entertaining. Tonight, I'm thinking about chatting with some of my friends online. This week, we're talking about how the internet is changing our lives. Sure, the computer screen makes my eyes hurt sometimes, but on the other hand, it helps me see the world in a different way.
Finished?
Yes.
Would you like to listen again?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Listen
Yes.
again. Good. Okay.
2. Listen again and decide if the statements are true or false. Write T or F. Michko.
It's my birthday today, so I'm planning to celebrate it. My husband and I are going to a nice piano restaurant to spend a romantic evening together. In fact, I bought a new dress just for the occasion. I also went to the hairdressers. I want to look my best tonight.
Vincent.
I'm working very hard these days, so tonight I'm staying at home. I need to relax, so I'm planning to order some Chinese food and to watch the basketball game on TV. I usually stay up until midnight, but I think that tonight I'm going to bed early.
Nina.
I'm attending an art history class this evening. I love art, so I'm taking advantage of this opportunity to learn more about it. Ms. Jones, our teacher, is a successful painter. I enjoy listening to her and looking at the wonderful images of works of art that she shows in every class.
Domenico.
I often surf the internet in the evenings. It's very entertaining. Tonight, I'm thinking about chatting with some of my friends online. This week, we're talking about how the internet is changing our lives. Sure, the computer screen makes my eyes hurt sometimes, but on the other hand, it helps me see the world in a different way.
Okay, so Michiko and her husband are celebrating their anniversary.
True.
No, so the answer is no. So what is, where is the mistake here?
Anniversary.
Yes, the mistake is in the word anniversary. So what's gonna be the correction? Celebrating her birthday. Her birthday, not the anniversary. What is the anniversary? The anniversary is their wedding date. Yes, the date of their wedding.
Okay.
Yeah. Number 2, or the second one, B. Michiko and her husband are eating out tonight.
True.
Yes, true. They are going to a piano. Yeah, correct, all of you. So they are going to a piano restaurant. So Vincent is going to Chinese restaurant.
False.
False.
No.
What is the what is the correction?
He will
Means
order
stay
the
at
food.
home.
going to the home.
So yes, firstly he's staying at home and he's going to order
Order the food.
And
order some Chinese food. Yeah. Number or letter D. Nina has a meeting with a painter this evening. She has a meeting.
No.
She has a meeting with a painter. No, she doesn't have a meeting. She has an art class, art history class. So the answer here is false.
false.
Yeah. Domenico often goes online.
True.
True.
Yes, true. Okay. Domenico is visiting some friends tonight.
False.
False.
Yeah, so what's gonna happen?
He is
Gonna happen.
going to chat with them.
One.
I think was
He's just chatting. He's not, yeah, he's not visiting
Chatting
any.
with them.
Yes, he's not visiting anybody. Yeah, very good. By the way, this is about the present progressive, but this is about some spelling rules. Like he is telling you that if you have a verb ending with E and you have to add ing, so you have to drop the E and add ing. If you have a verb, this verb is one part, like one syllable. Like if I say put, if I say swim, stop, these verbs, they are only one syllable and it's ending with a consonant and the vowel and a consonant. So you have to duplicate the last letter. Here, if you have a verb ending with IE, like if I say lie, tie, die, like this, you have to replace the IE with Y and add ing. And he's telling you a little difference between British and American here. If you are going to write a verb like cancel or verb like travel, verb ending with E-L. In the American English, don't duplicate the L. Write it only one L. So the American people write only one L. But if you're going to write it in British way, so you have to duplicate this L.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Okay.
Very good. Here, in this case, is giving you some examples for stative verbs like see, hear, taste, smell, seem, look like. These are all senses. Feelings like want, love, hate, like, dislike, prefer, surprise. Verbs of opinions and perception like think, feel, believe, know, remember, forget, understand, agree, disagree. Other verbs like if I say I have, I own, this belongs to, it costs, need, and so on. Okay, so these are all about grammatical rules. Is it okay with you? Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, so there is something I'd like to share with you, some expressions. I would like to discuss them with you. By the way, once I say expressions, so they are not formal. Say these are not formal. So once something is not formal, I'm going to tell you that this is not formal. So the expressions I'm going to discuss with you now are not formal. So don't use them in formal situations. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. So what does it mean if I say it was a piece of cake? It's the same meaning as when I say easy as a pie, like very easy.
Okay.
By the way, these expressions are not in the book. These are extra expressions to you or for you to use them in your speaking, but they are not formal. So if I say the test was a piece of cake or it was easy as a pie, it means that was very simple and very easy. Okay, here, when pigs fly or pie in the sky, what do these expressions mean? Like if I say to you, for example, your brother is going to give you money. Really, your father is going to give you money or your brother is going to give you money? Huh? When pigs fly, huh? Pie in the sky, like it's impossible. It's not gonna happen. As we say in our Oriental language, fil mishmish. It's impossible.
Yes.
It's impossible. Okay. So here, if I say, huh, when pigs fly, he's going to give me money. So it's impossible. It's not likely to happen. Okay. If I say to you, like, I want to have, look at this situation or consider this situation. I want to have a good job with a very good salary and it has to be close to my house. So I won't have to take any transportation and I want to work as a manager. Excuse me, you want all these things in one job? So you can't have your cake and eat it too. So you cannot get all the things you want. You have to get something and give up something. For example, this is the job of my dreams and I like it, but the salary is not okay, so it's okay, fine. But you cannot find a good job with a good salary and good everything. You cannot win everything, you understand? So you have to get something and forget about something or give up another thing, but you're not taking everything. This is in our life, or this is, what can I say, such as life, the rule of our life. Nobody takes everything. So here, you understand this?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, If you talk about something and you say, oh my goodness, music is my cup of tea. Music is my cup of tea. So here, it means that it's my favorite. So really, do you like reading? Yes, reading is my cup of tea. Like it's my favorite thing, or the thing I like doing. Okay?
Okay.
Very good. So if I say to you, don't cry over the spilled milk. Like, take this example or consider this situation. Your friend finished the exam, and after revising and after checking the answers, she found out that she has many mistakes, or she had many mistakes in this exam, and she started, oh my goodness, I'm going to fail, what can I do? And she started to cry, and she started to like collapse. Okay, so the exam already passed. So if you cry now, it will be useless, or it's for nothing. So don't cry over the spilled milk. Like, it's passed already. You finished the exam already. So you have to keep focused on what's coming next. Okay. If you lost your phone, or your phone is broken, so what should you do? It's already happened. So forget about it. It happens. If you cried, if you screamed, if you're nervous or angry, so it's all for nothing. It's already happened. So keep focused on what's coming next. What are you going to do? So, okay, it's about don't be sad or regret, or don't you regret something you've already lost. Past is in the past. Okay? Just move on and keep going. Think about what's going to happen next. What are you going to do next? This is not going to change anything. Okay? So take advantage of this. Can be used in other situations. So it can be accepted in our everyday talk. So if I say to you, my sister is going to be in Alexandria for a week. So I'm going to take advantage of her clothes. Take advantage of, it means use. Okay, and also I can use this phrase with people, like people always take advantage of me. So people are always using me, or people always use me. Take advantage of, it means use. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So what should you do? These expressions, for sure, these expressions can be practiced in your everyday life. But I want you, because we are going to do this next session in speaking time. After checking the homework in the workbook, I'm going to do this or make this with you. Put these expressions in sentences. Use them in sentences and examples. Okay, so we are going to use, just 1 second, to make sure that you understand. Okay, so you have here piece of cake, easy as a pie, when pigs fly, you can't have your cake and eat it too, my cup of tea, don't cry over the spilled milk, take advantage of. So these are all the expressions that we have taken Today, I want you to use them in examples or put them in sentences because we are going to practice them in speaking next time. You got this? Hello? I'm talking to everybody. Hussein, Mustafa, Muhammad. You understand
Okay.
what I said?
Okay.
Okay. So this is all about the expressions. We still have some words like if I say to you, drugstore. What is the drugstore? Drugstore is an American word which means pharmacy and a general shop. So maybe it can be a general shop including a pharmacy inside it. Okay?
Okay.
Cough syrup. Cough syrup. Cough, you know the meaning of cough. It's kind of illness. Cough syrup, it's kind of liquid medicine for cough.
Okay.
Liquid, you drink it. Okay? Maple syrup. What is the maple syrup? It's liquid sugar. It's kind of liquid sugar. It looks like honey. You know the honey? You know the honey that that comes from bees? Okay. Topped with. Topped with. So if I say I like eating pizza topped with chicken. If something is topped with, means that this thing is on the top. There is something on the top. Okay, so if I say the pizza is topped with the vegetables and chicken, it means that chicken and vegetables are put on top of it. Is it clear? So, oh, and they can say, I hate eating pizza topped with meat. So I don't like to eat pizza and there's some kind of meat on the top of it. You got the idea?
Okay.
Got it? Okay.
Yes.
Good. So this way, we finished unit 4. So you know your homework. Your homework now is unit 4 in the workbook and the expressions. We are going to practice them after we check the homework next time.
Okay.
Okay, very good. So you listened to the song of last time? I uploaded to you the sheet of the song and the link of the video on YouTube. You listened to it?
Yes.
Even yes or no, you have everything. You have the sheet and you have the link of the video. So if you would like to listen to the song many times, studying the new words, it's okay. It's going to be very useful practice. Okay. Are you ready for a new song?
Okay.
But this time, I'm not going to give you a sheet. I'm not going to share a sheet. You are going to just listen, depend on your ears. You're going to listen and write notes. Notes like what? Any word you can catch, any sentence you can catch, any phrase you can catch from the song. I'm not asking you to write the whole song. I'm asking you just to listen, depend on your ears, and see how much you're going to get from it. Just test your listening. Okay, and it's going to be much better if you have a pen and the paper, or if you prepare a pen and the paper and try to write down as much as you can, or as many words and phrases as you can. Okay, I'm not asking you to write down the whole song. Is it okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Mm. Just 1 second. I want to make sure if I'm sharing the screen, sorry, sharing the sound or not. Yeah.
Does more than catch errors. With Grammarly, you can find really good
Okay, you got something? Have you written
Yes.
anything? It's,
Yes.
it's not difficult. This is testing your listening once you listen to something for the first time. Okay, so I recommend or I advise you to do this. If you're listening to something in English, a very good practice for your listening is to listen and write. Depend on your ears first. And then check how much you got. Give yourself a percentage. So this is a very good practice. And for the speaking, as I told you before, and I'm confirming, the self-recording. So this is for listening. If you listen to something and write down, and for speaking, try to self-record or make some kind of self-recording. Okay?
Okay.
So let's try to watch the song with the lyrics and see if your notes or the things that you have just written are right or not, and give yourself a percentage, how much you got from the song. This is your first time to hear it, so give yourself like 50%, like 60%, so test yourself in this. So watch the video with the lyrics. You see the screen?
Yes.
Hello, you see the
Yes.
screen? I'm asking all of you. Okay, good.
Yes.
Okay.
Watch. Okay. So what you have written was right, or most of it? Wait. What you have written was right or not? Or part of it or most of it? How was it? Am I talking to myself again?
No.
So I'm asking, give yourself a percentage, how much you got from the song.
For me, I wrote 14%.
Okay. Manar, Mustafa, Hussein.
20%.
20%. Why? Okay. So 20%. Okay. The others.
70%.
Nice. 70%. Okay, good. Not bad. The others. Okay. Most importantly, to get the target from this practice, this is for testing your listening. If you listen to something in English, try to do this practice. Listen and write down. Okay? And to practice speaking, try to make self-recording and listen to yourself. Listen to yourself speaking. Try to find out what are your mistakes. How you pronounce this, how you pronounce this word, how you pronounce that word this way. So this is for speaking and this is for listening, okay? So you understand everything about the homework. What are we going to do next session, inshallah? Okay, that's it for today's session. Thank you so much for your time. محمد كلموك بخصوص الحاجات اللي انت كنت قايل لي عليها؟
هم قالوا إن هم هياخدوا الكليات الرزق هيبقى بعدها لي، بس ما حدش يبعت لي حاجة أنا زي دلوقتي.
تمام لأن هي الفيديوهات أصلا لسه تعتبر واصلة لهم يعني فهم هيبعتوها لك أكيد. ما تقلقش. لا تقلق يا فندم، أنت في أيد أمينة. تمام. حد عايز يسأل على أي حاجة يا جماعة؟ لأن فاضل لنا بالظبط دقيقة والسيشن والميتنج ينتهي. مفيش أي حاجة خالص؟ Okay, thank you for your time and see you inshallah. ها؟
الأفعال اللي هي الريجولار والإيريجولار.
دي يا محمد بتتذاكر، هي بتتذاكر وبتتذاكر زي ما هي لأن هي ملهاش قاعدة. الأفعال اللي هي الريجولار العادية اللي هي هتلاقيها منتهية ب دي دي أو اي
عارف
دي. الريجولار
أنا عارف إنها بتتحفظ، بس كنت عايز انت عايز حاجه من حضرتك يعني الافعال دي يعني اللي هي مكتوبه يعني.
لا هو بص، هي الفكره ان هي اولا انت فاهم اكيد فاهم ان هي ملهاش قاعده، دي اول حاجه. تاني حاجه
طبعا
انت طول ما انت بتتعرض لها يعني اعرف بقى الفيرب احفظه، لان هي ملهاش قاعده، لان هي بتيجي بالبراكتس، بتيجي بالمور يعني the more you face them the more you know them. بمجرد ما انت بتقابلهم كتير هتحفظهم كتير. انت معاك الستودنت بوك ولا انت بترفعه من على البي دي اف؟
الPDF.
انت لو كان معاك الستودنت بوك انا ممكن احاول اذا نزلت الشركه يعني احاول اصورهم واعمل لهم سكاننج وارفعها لكم على الجروب عشان برضو لو انت حابب تاخد فكره عنهم يعني.